Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about the best thing you can do, because once you master this, you will have a better life than you can imagine. You know, in order for us to get better, we have to become better. In order for our lives to change, we have to change. You know, success leaves clues. We can always see what other people have done that have made them successful. And until we realize that, we're not going to become a better version of ourselves. And you know, I wouldn't be here talking with you today unless I decided to become a better version of myself. In fact, I had to be fired, first time ever in my life, 8 years ago, fired from a position, and that was my kick. That was the nudge that I needed to realize that I could become a better version of myself. I mean, self-education today is available. It's available on YouTube. It's available on the internet. There's so many sources. There's lynda.com. There's Udemy. There's so many ways that you can learn to become a better version of yourself. And you just need to choose what you're going to do. There's books. There's bookstores full of books, online books, audio books, and you can become a better version of yourself and take control over that aspect of your life. But most people aren't doing it. And the reason being is habit. We have habits. We do the same things over and over again. If we've got up in the morning and we have coffee and we watch the news, those are the things that we do over and over again. And instead, you could get up in the morning, learn something, do some reading, some writing, and even do some exercise, do some yoga, do something good for yourself. Because there is always an opportunity to become a better version of yourself. And all you need to do is start. You just need to look around, realize what it is that you like, what you want to achieve. It might be your physical health, mental health. It might be something better for you that you want in your life, better for you and your family. And the reason why I made the shift in my life to become a better version of myself and study and learn and practice and become a great teacher and coach is because I wanted freedom to be with my family. I wanted to be inspired, and I wanted to be around my family as much as possible. That was my goal. And now I get to do that. I get to do that as much as I want, and that's because I put the effort in. I took the time to do the learning. I took the time to do the practice. I took the time to set up a business so that I don't have to be running it all the time, and I don't have to be going to a job. So that's something that you can do. You have control. If you have a business, your business development, your business growth will never exceed your personal development. That's a guarantee. Personal development is an ongoing process. There's something called Kaizen. It's Kaizen. It's consistent and never-ending learning. If you like that kind of approach, then all you need to do is study and learn, practice, become a better version of yourself, and ask questions. Look for ways that you can develop and become somebody that you feel good about. Whether it's your physical health or mental health or your lifestyle or the people around you. You have total control over that. So just remember, if you want things to change, you have to change. If you want things to get better, you have to do better things. So if you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, hop over there and check it out. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.